What's up everyone, today's guide covers how to scrape Yelp business data for local lead generation. Yelp hosts detailed listings for millions of local businesses across the United States, Canada and other markets. For B2B companies selling to local businesses like marketing agencies, SaaS tools, payment processors and POS systems, Yelp is a goldmine of qualified lead data. Each listing contains the business name, phone number, address, website, operating hours, review count, rating and business category. This guide walks through the complete process of scraping Yelp for local lead generation using mobile proxies and Python. Yelp data is uniquely useful for lead qualification because reviews provide signals that other directories lack. Review count indicates business maturity and customer volume. Rating trends reveal businesses that may need marketing help, particularly those with declining ratings. Response activity shows which business owners are actively engaged online. Category specificity enables precise targeting, like Italian restaurants versus just restaurants. Photos and menu data indicate the business's investment in online presence. A dental marketing agency, for example, can scrape all dental offices in a metro area, filter by those with fewer than 20 reviews indicating weak online presence, and build a targeted outreach list. Yelp actively combats scraping through multiple layers. IP-based rate limiting means too many requests from one IP triggers blocks within minutes. Critical page content loads via JavaScript, not static HTML, so browser automation is required. Automated traffic also triggers Yelp's capture system. Yelp has filed lawsuits against scraping operations, so always review their terms of service. Hidden links and CSS obfuscated elements act as honeypot traps designed to catch scrapers. Mobile proxies address IP-based detection while browser automation handles JavaScript rendering. Always ensure your scraping activities comply with applicable laws and regulations. Setting up the scraper requires a few core dependencies: a headless browser library, a proxy rotation handler, and a data export module. Proxy configuration routes all requests through a pool of mobile IPs, rotating on a set interval to avoid triggering rate limits. The core scraping logic navigates to Yelp search results for a given category and location, extracts business listings from the page, and follows pagination to collect data across multiple pages. Search results provide basic information. For complete lead data, the scraper visits individual business pages to pull phone numbers, websites, hours, review counts, ratings, and photos. Not every Yelp business is a good lead. Filters based on your target customer profile might include minimum and maximum review counts, rating thresholds, presence of a website, response rate to reviews, and specific business categories. Yelp frequently updates its frontend, which breaks selectors. Build resilience into your scraper using a selector fallback strategy. Try the primary CSS selector first, fall back to an alternate selector if it fails, and log any extraction failures for review. Many Yelp pages include structured data in JSON LD format, which is more stable than HTML selectors. Parsing this data directly reduces how often you need to update your scraper when Yelp changes its front end. For national campaigns, parallelize scraping across metropolitan areas by running concurrent workers, each targeting a different city or region, and merging results into a single dataset. Format your Yelp leads for import into CRM or outreach tools. Maintaining consistent data formats across all sources simplifies pipeline management when pulling from multiple platforms. Yelp scraping with mobile proxies provides a reliable pipeline of local business leads that includes qualification signals, like reviews, ratings, and online presence that other directories lack. The key to sustainable scraping is conservative pacing, robust selector strategies, and structured data extraction via JSON LD when available. Start with a single category in your strongest market, validate lead quality through outreach conversion rates, and then expand systematically. How to build an automated lead scraping pipeline with proxies, building a B2B contact enrichment pipeline with mobile proxies, how to scrape job listings at scale with rotating proxies, proxies for HR tech covering salary benchmarking and talent intelligence, how to scrape AliExpress product data without getting blocked, and Amazon buy box monitoring with proxy setup for continuous tracking. And every tools Bonigopo for PR podcast tools, data research tools, Topic.com has hundreds of articles on proxies, scraping, automation, and more. Thanks for tuning in.